These high temperatures are amplifying those air quality concerns that Adam just mentioned. Our Walter Perez now live on the Belmont Plateau with more on what that alert means and ways we can stay safe. Walter.
That's right, Brian, and behind me you can see the haze lingering over the city at this hour, and while we certainly have seen worse over the years across the Delaware Valley, it's no picnic for people who have sensitivities to these kinds of conditions. The recent stretch of excessive heat has brought with it a reduction in air quality. For example, most of the Delaware Valley is currently under a code orange. Victoria Wenstrup, an environmental specialist with the New Jersey DEP, says that serves as a heads up for people who fall into certain health categories.
Our sensitive populations like children, teens, and the elderly. So people who do have pre-existing conditions and people in those sensitive groups should pay more attention to the air quality on those particular days.
Dr. Mark Goldstein, Chief of Allergy and Immunity at Pennsylvania Hospital, says it's important to remember that even short-term exposure to ozone and particulate pollution can result in
hospitalizations for asthma, COPD, exacerbations treated as an outpatient, even mortality in some cases.
Isabella Bentavogli of Cherry Hill says she is a good example of someone who needs to play it safe.
Getting off the subway and walking here, I felt very short of breath and had to definitely walk slower. So when I realized that, the air quality won't be as good as normal, I definitely budget in more time if I'm walking somewhere, and I always make sure to carry my rescue inhaler with me.
And as always, the advice remains the same under these conditions for the very young, the very old, and people with respiratory ailments. It begins with avoiding outdoor activity as much as possible, but also includes
staying well hydrated, perhaps wearing a mask. Even the mask that we've used for COVID, the KN95, N95 mask would be appropriate if you're going to be spending time outside.
Now, there are a lot of ways to keep track of the air quality in your community, including the EPA's Air Quality Index Monitor. That can be found at airnow.gov. A link to that website can be found on 6abc.com. Reporting live from the Belmont Plateau, Walter Perez, Channel 6 Action News. Sarah?
Yeah, it does take a toll on your body. Walter, thank you.